let's be honest. We're all looking for that extra edge in our careers, right? But what if that edge wasn't some new skill you have to spend months learning, but a new co-pilot, an AI ally that can help you with the daily grind and help you map out your biggest ambitions? Well, today, we're diving into the AI hacks that can seriously reshape your entire professional journey.
Does this sound familiar? You were just buried in tasks, your inbox is exploding, and those big, exciting career goals you once had, they feel like they're a million miles away. You're definitely busy, no question about that, but are you actually getting anywhere? Okay, this is where AI comes into the picture. And let's get one thing crystal clear, right up front. It is not here to replace you. It's here to amplify you. Seriously, think of it as your professional co-pilot. It handles the boring, repetitive stuff so you can focus on strategy, creativity, the things that we humans are actually good at.
But hold on. Before we jump into all the cool tools and prompts, we have to talk about the most crucial piece of the puzzle, your mindset. Because using AI effectively isn't just about learning new software, it's about fundamentally shifting how you think and approach your work. This right here, this AI-augmented mindset, is your foundation, and it's so much less about the tech itself and more about your attitude. Take overcoming fear. That's a huge one. Instead of seeing AI as some kind of threat, you gotta reframe it. See it as a collaborator that can take on the tasks you absolutely hate, freeing you up for the work you actually love. And embracing curiosity, that just means you're always asking, I wonder how AI could make this a little bit better. That small shift in perspective, that's the real hack.
All right, so you've got the mindset down. Now for the fun part. Let's put it into action. First up, let's hack your long-term career path.
You know how easy it is to get tunnel vision at work, right? Just stuck in the day-to-day? Well, AI can act like your own personal 24/7 career coach, forcing you to zoom out and see the bigger picture. Based on what you're good at and what you like, it can show you paths you've never, ever considered. New roles, different industries, you name it.
Now, to get the best advice from your new AI career coach, you need to get good at asking the right questions. There's a fancy term for this, prompt engineering. But don't let that scare you. It's really simple. It's just about being super clear and specific in what you ask for so you get back something incredibly powerful and useful.
And boom, here is a perfect example of a great prompt. See how specific it is? You're telling the AI your current role, your dream goal, and a clear timeline. With just that little bit of info, it can spit out a personalized step-by-step career map made just for you. How cool is that?
But what if you're feeling a little lost? You don't have that clear goal. Hey, that is totally okay. AI is amazing for brainstorming. With a prompt like this one, you're basically asking the AI to be an explorer for you, to map out all these potential futures and career paths that you might never have thought of. It can be a total game changer if you're looking for direction.
And it goes so far beyond just planning. I mean, imagine asking an AI to find potential mentors in your industry and then, get this, draft a personalized, non-cringy outreach message for you to send them. That's like the biggest networking hurdle, just gone in seconds. It can do the same for finding courses, helping you debug code. It's a whole career toolkit in one place.
Okay, so we've looked at the big 10,000-foot view. Now let's zoom all the way in and see how AI can totally supercharge your day-to-day work, making you way more efficient, like right now. This is where you're going to feel an immediate, tangible impact. We're talking about completely eliminating writer's block, writing the perfect email in seconds, and sifting through mountains of information to find the stuff that actually matters. Let's get into it.
Oh man, we have all been there. Staring at that blinking cursor on a blank screen, trying to figure out the right words for an important email. That one task can just suck up so much time and mental energy. Well, AI can turn this common headache into one of your biggest productivity wins.
And look how simple it is. You just give the AI the basic context, new project timeline, and, importantly, the vibe you're going for. Clear, concise, and motivating. It takes that direction and does all the heavy lifting, saving you a ton of time and making sure your message lands exactly the way you want it to.
And honestly, this comparison says it all. The message on the left, yeah, it works, but it's kind of abrupt, right? A little demanding. The AI-assisted version on the right, though, it's professional, it's empathetic, it's motivating. Now just think for a second about how differently your team would react to that message. It's a tiny tweak that has a massive impact on morale and clarity.
And it's not just about writing. AI is an absolute beast when it comes to information overload. Think about all those long reports and dense articles you're supposed to read but just don't have time for. You can just feed them to an AI and get the key bullet points in seconds. It's like having a personal research assistant who's already done all the reading for you.
Okay, so we've hacked our long-term career, and we've hacked our daily tasks. Now let's tie it all together and talk about the ultimate goal here, using all of this to future-proof your career for whatever comes next.
At the end of the day, it's about this. None of us can predict the exact jobs that will exist in 10 years, but what we can do is build the skills and the mindset to thrive no matter what happens. Future-proofing isn't about sitting back and waiting. It's about actively making sure you stay valuable and relevant as the world changes.
And this is exactly how AI becomes your partner in staying ahead of the curve. It's constantly feeding you the latest industry news, it's guiding you on what to learn next, and it's helping you map out your next move. It shifts you from being reactive to being proactive. You're not just keeping up with the future anymore, you're out there building it.
But as we start to wrap this up, I want to be really clear about something. AI is just a tool. The key ingredient in all of this is still you. Your drive, your passion, your judgment, your ability to connect with other people. Those things are completely irreplaceable. AI is just here to amplify those amazing human strengths, not to make them obsolete. So, I'll leave you with this one thought. With these tools and with this new mindset, the future is no longer something that just happens to you. It's something you get to actively create. So the only real question left is, what are you going to build first?